Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This vehicle comes finished in the deep Black-Pearlescent paint colour, and across the front of the vehicle it features some chrome striping across the radiator grille. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the Shuttle sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, and as we approach the rear of the vehicle there is a heated rear window. The vehicle also has a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area or boot space of the Shuttle, there is a very sizable amount of storage space thanks to the long wheelbase format of the vehicle. The Shuttle comes with 9 seats in total. To the rear there is a 3-seater passenger bench, and in the middle there are 3 individual seats. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab there is a singular seat with 2 armrests for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. Plenty of leg space all round for all the passengers, and in forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system comes with the Discover Media navigation with 3D maps. The system also has App Connect, which allows you to connect your device through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as housing the coloured Park Pilot display. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for this vehicle. The Shuttle comes with a Climatronic 3-zone digital climate control system with a separate control panel to the rear. Down and to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points, handy for keeping those smart devices charged. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.